June talaga yung birthday month ko and did this post-birthday celebration with the Thai.
Bakit na-delay yung birthday celebration?
Well, first and foremost, itong dire-diretso yung schedule and I was out of the country during the time of my birthday. Pero pinaplan na din na talaga namin na Sir William to celebrate on the Thai Foundation. This naman talaga, almost every year, medyo naging lang tayo ng country.
Bakit special sa iyo yung mga kids?
Thai. Thai Foundation foundation na ang aim niya talaga is to provide support for children with cancer and chronic illnesses. I think I started with, I contacted guys in 2017. Nakita akong post nila and then I reached out to them and then ano naman sila, nag-message din naman pabalik and then doon nag-start yung partnership with Thai Foundation.
Bakit special sa iyo nga ang kids? Meron bang something,
Thai Foundation is one of the foundations na sinusupport
of the many?
na sinusupport ko and siyempre as a mother, diba, may anak ako and of course, alam natin na these kids have, condition. So, if makakatulong man ako na mabigyan sila ng semblance of normalcy sa kanilang buhay habang nag-undergo sila ng treatment nila sa hospital. So, bakit naman hindi?
Sir William, malaking bagay ba yung influence ni Jody sa Kai Foundation sa pagtulong sa mga bata?
Kasi sobrang laki ng tulong niya. Kasi that time na tumulong si Miss Jody sa amin, yun yung first post namin sa Instagram. And siya yung una nag-react. Then parang moral boosting din sa team. Currently kasi the foundation is supporting around 8,000 kids
8,000?
nationwide. We are supporting 11 hospitals, public, and we only have 13 staff. 13. As in, wala. Hila dito, hila doon. Yes. So, understaffed. So, we really need the media mileage and help ni Miss Jody to spread the news. Kasi one post can reach a lot. To spread the advocacy.
At sa dami ng followers ni Jody, yung influence mo talagang malaking bagay. Jody, ang dami sa kanila, nakita mo na lumaki, gumaling, at saka kung ano-ano pa. How do you feel to see them again na lumaki na rin sila?
Actually, nakakatuwa each and every time na makikita ko yung mga kids natin because nung sumampa ko sa kanila ng 2017, nakita ko sila maliliit pa sila and now mga dalaga na binata na survivors na sila. So, na nakakatuwa lang na mabigyan ng pagkakataon na makita yung journey ng mga bata ko and yung progress nila and na maging part ka ng buhay mo.
For the viewers o for yung mga makakakita.
There are many ways to help our kids. Una-una, pwede ko kayo mag-visit sa type.org. So, makikita niyo po doon yung many ways on how to help our children through donating. Marami po tayo mga programs and campaigns. Meron tayo Sir William na Share a Fair. Meron tayo wellness campaign.
Adapt a patient.
Meron tayong survivors program. Meron din tayo
Wellness.
So wellness, personal activity kits. Kasi syempre mga bata, also at least, diba, parang na hindi nila na-miss out yung importante part ng childhood nila.
Yes.
Pero ito lang yung nakita namin, Jody. Pero off camera, ano ang ginagawa mo for time? Kasi ito lang nakita namin, di ba, na celebrate ka ng birthday mo.
Since 2017 naman talaga, tuloy-tuloy yung partnership ko with Type. Ang sasabihin ko na lang, in any way that I can. Without going
Si Sir na lang hotspot natin.
Si Jody is our my co-consultant sa communications department. And right now kasi we're starting a wellness campaign. It started as a milk program 4 years ago. And dun sa pagbigay ng milk dun sa mga patient after chemo, 2 weeks ago, one of the patient became a survivor. Nag-rang na siya ng bell to signify na balik na siya sa normal world. Survivor na. 3 years struggle yun. After the chemo, you have to wait for 3 years. And nakakataba lang sa puso na at least may survivor na. And we try to push the milk program to a different level na. Kasi after chemo, pero pag bumagsak yung immune system, walang nutrition, wala rin just magre-relapse din. And once na nagkaroon ng relapse ang kids, just count 1 to 2 months, wala na yung bata. Kumbaga sayang yung buong journey. And at the same time, yun nga, yung awareness lang ng tao na we even have kids na around, the youngest I handled was 6 weeks old na may cancer. 6 weeks, as in, ganun kalala yung, okay. So, kulang din kami sa staff, sa team, kaya we really need Miss Jody. Kaya lahat ng position binigyan namin. And she's our ambassador. Yeah, child life ambassador. First ambassador.
Ambassador consultant lang.
Kanina kinakwento mo sa amin na parang matagal ka na tumutulong sa kite pero ngayon mo lang in-invite yung media. Kwento naman ulit yung rationale doon.
Okay.
For awareness, di ba?
Like what Sir William said kanina na meron tayong 8,000 enlightened patients, mga kids sa county natin. And we really need, of course, yung support ng ating mga kaibigan, di ba? And syempre, we also want to raise awareness na merong isang foundation tulad ng HIVE na kung naghahanap sila, na gusto nilang i-support, kung gusto nilang mag-donate, kung gusto nilang mag-sponsor, kung gusto nilang tumulong at kumbaga, if they really want to make a difference sa buhay ng isang bata, then maybe makonsider nila ang HIVE Foundation. Gusto lang din talaga namin na once na naging part ng program yung mga kids namin, talagang ma-complete talaga nila yung treatment na dire-diretso. That's why, of course, kailangan din talaga ng awareness.
Jules, kwento ka naman ng parang success story na isa sa mga parang, di ba, nabantayan mo through the years.
Okay. I think siguro yung isa sa mga kids na nakasama ko from the time na
Alaika.
naging member ko ng time was si Alaika.
Alaika.
So si Alaika had leukemia. When I met her, she was undergoing treatment. And then, each and every time na meron pa tayong fly a kite, maraming mga mga programs na ginagawa si Guy. So pag nakakita ko siya, I would always try to ask her kung kamusta siya, how she's feeling. Yan. From the time naman na nakilala ko siya, never ko siyang pinakitaan talaga ng kahinaan ng loob. Alam mo yung mga bata talaga, sobra talaga silang mga fighter talaga sila. And nakaka-inspire. And now, nakita ko ulit siya. Andyan siya, dalaga na siya. Survivor na siya. Cancer-free na si Alaika. And pag nakakakita ka ng mga ganito, it also parang inspires you and gives you hope. Hindi lang para sa sarili mo, pero para sa mga ibang bata. Kasi if this is something that happened to Alaika, then pwede rin itong mangyari